having said European countries are facing multiple challenges.
Transformational change entails more than solutions to the current crisis. It actually calls for new foundations for European future economic success and our prosperity in the long term. It is about ensuring Europe's long-term competitiveness and its leading role in the global economic order. And that means halting the downward trend we are currently on is one task. Over the past 20 years, the EU shares of global GDP has fallen by a quarter in purchasing power parity terms. It now stands at around 15%, behind the US at 16% and China at just under 19%. If you ask international observers, many of them associate Europe with slow decision-making, rather weak innovation, an agonizing fragmentation of interests and positions, and also some over-regulation. Kind of an old continent going grey, that is the stereotype.
Now, having also said that Europe needs to work on its financial independence, adding that losing autonomy could be detrimental to the continent.
It is concerning that this key cornerstone is simply left out of the debate, just as if the financing of the upcoming transformation were a side issue. But for this transformation, the financing piece is nothing else than the heart and the lungs. The sums that will have to be spent on a successful transformation in the coming decades are enormous, and Europe lacks the capital and financing structure to master exactly this piece. We urgently need to change course if we do not want to rely primarily on foreign banks to finance Europe's future. And nobody should take this danger lightly. Losing financial sovereignty for Europe would be just as bad as the energy dependence that is causing us so much pain right now.